Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do an unboxing video about an Alma bag that I truly love when I see it in the store. By the time that I upload this, probably it's already in the stores. So if you're curious, what is it? Just watch my unboxing video and question yourself if you like it as much as I do, because I have a very split opinion about this bag between my colleagues and I. So for me, I personally love it, and see if you love it too. If you're new to the channel, my name is Murphy, and currently as I'm recording this video, I am a sales advisor here in Louis Vuitton, Singapore, and this channel is all about Louis Vuitton products, Louis Vuitton updates, luxury fashion in general, and a vlog here and there sometimes. So if you are into this kind of things, just do not forget to subscribe to help me grow this channel and to keep yourself updated too. Okay, let's watch this video, shall we? This is my Mama Joy's unboxing the new Alma BB in Malletage. The size of this is BB, and opening it up from the box to the dust bag, this is how it looks like. This is the black and white version. I love the details of the Malletage, and I find it really very elegant and very classy. This is how it looks like from the inside. It is a full leather inside. The strap is an adjustable thin strap, which is in full leather too. It comes also with an accessory, which is the key bell. For anyone who doesn't know key bell, I'm gonna explain it later. It also comes with a lock and of course the key. And we will try to put the biggest wallet we have in Louis Vuitton, which is the zippy wallet. You see inside it's full leather, so she will put the wallet inside, and miraculously it fit. But again, I wouldn't suggest a long wallet to use in this bag because it's not meant for it. But I just want to show you how the space is like. And this is Mama Joy's putting on the strap. It's truly adjustable. She put it at the last hole, which is the shortest, and I'm gonna show you how it looks like on her when it is worn. So this is detachable, so you can use it as a handbag too. Putting it on the D-ring, it can hold heavy stuff, but of course I wouldn't suggest it because it is a small bag and the strap are thin. It's thin, I'm sorry. So I will show you in a while how it looks like when it's worn. And I did not put the accessory, but this is how it will look like if the accessory is put in front, which is the key bell. Alright, so this is how it looks like when it's worn. Mama Joy's is average height, and it's actually a perfect size for her. And this is that is my manager, Chong Chu-han. I don't know if I'm allowed to put her face in this vlog, but I do it anyway. Okay, so this is a bag that I actually liked when I see it, because Alma has always been in canvas and epi material, and this is the first time that I see it in a different material, which is a lambskin. So this has the texture, the crisscross texture is called Malletage. You will see the Malletage inside a trunk. When you open the lid, it's behind the lid. That is called Malletage, and it's part of the heritage. It's part of the history of Louis Vuitton, so it's actually something sentimental if you are a Louis Vuitton fan and a Louis Vuitton collector. So obviously this is a personal opinion about how I love this bag, because some of my colleagues find it not so nice and a little bit matured, but for me, any ages can actually carry it. I find it elegant and I find it unique. I find that this is still a timeless piece and iconic shape that you can buy if you are looking for a bag that is more into quiet luxury. And one opinion that I heard about this is that the crisscross thing looks very much like Chanel. And yes, I wouldn't argue on that, but Come on, guys. Every brand is just copying everyone. So let's just move past there. And as I say, this crisscross is not from Chanel. This is from the Heritage, which is the trunk. So up to you if you believe it or not, but this is not copied from Chanel. You will see this also in the Go 14 bag that is going to be launched same time as this bag. And the key bell, as I promised to explain, the key bell, for people who doesn't know, that bell holds the key to the lock so you won't lost it, and it also serves as a bag charm to your bag. So historically, I have a lot of clients coming to me that they lost the key. Each key of that lock is unique, so we don't have any spare key in the store. So it's very important that you take care of that key. So hence, we have that key belt for you not to forget where you put your key. So that is a plus point. This bag is more on a little bit higher price. This is 6,150, and if you are going to compare it with the Alma BB in canvas, the Alma BB in canvas is 2640. The price is quite significant, but if you're going to compare it with the epi leather is 3,300, still almost double the price. But then again, it's lambskin, and any bags with a lambskin is more on the higher price. Louis Vuitton do not use lambskin for quite a long time until we produce Cousin bag, which I have a review about. That's one of my first reviews, so you will see me very awkward talking in the camera in there. But if you're curious about my awkwardness, you can watch it. And honestly, Alma BB is not a new bag. It is one of the most classic bags, so there's really nothing much to talk about it. Especially if you're a Louis Vuitton fan, you should know what an Alma bag is. It comes in two colors. One is that black and white Malletage, and the other one is like ombre navy blue. I love the ombre navy blue too, but I am more drawn to white bags because it looks good on me, in my opinion. Tell me if you disagree, because I have a brown skin. I look white in the camera, but actually I have a very brown skin, so anything white looks good on me. So I like white bag, although taking care of them is a challenge. But you don't buy white bag for them not to get dirty. Does that make sense? It does make sense. So put that in mind. White gets dirty, and I don't think there's a way to prevent it. You just have to move past it. In general, I love it. I would suggest it to elegant women who loves their bag to be more discreet and less branding, but still recognizable as a Louis Vuitton shape and Louis Vuitton look. Anyway, my battery is getting low, and I will see you in my next video. Just don't forget to like this video to help me grow this channel. Okay, my battery just died, so continuing, I will see you on my next video. And also, please do not forget to support me in my other channels. And thank you so much for watching this video, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.